Container for the with US visa, we have same wage scales as before, and this is with English, 9,400 master to 10,000, same as chief engineer. Chief officer is 7,700 to 8,200, same as second engineer. Then the second officer 4,300 to 4,500, same as third engineer. And then the third officer is 3,700, same as fourth engineer. And then we have these AB Oilers 1,800, and then OS Wiper and Mesman 1,350. And then Boston Cook Fitter 2,000 is approx. These nationalities could be mixed with the US visa. We will be talking about ratings from Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, Panama, Peru. Peru, very few with English, but then a big pool, 14,000 officers in Panama, active about 5K. Most of the ships, container ships, trade around the Panama Canal. So it's a very interesting, very ESG, corporate social responsibility, a very transparent way to invest in the goodwill of your brand, of your company, in the families, in the talent, and the retention long term, because most of Americans like to be very close home. As different than Asians in Latino countries, we take very much pride in being very close to our families. We are not for 9 months or so away from home. Yeah, we don't believe it's a normal thing. And therefore, if you have ships trading around America, USA to Panama and the Caribbean, plus also the Pacific, all the way down to Chile, Punta Arenas, all the way, if you have these kind of ships, contact us, because we have the possibility of, with English language, have your fleet of container ships, either small containers or very large container ships trading around America. Why? Because everybody's just doing Asian crewing, and you see we had these conflicts, well, a couple of wars in Asia, then we have this shortage in the summer northern hemisphere of the flights and the costs, and why not invest in American crewing? Is really healthy, long term, and also is the way to invest where the ships are going to be trading around the strategic area of the Panama Canal and the US, South Pacific and Atlantic. Thank you. Bye.